Listen, DJ and this shit out of Rippy, bro. Hey, listen, C's up, C's down. You already know how I do it. Shit, I'm fucked up. My brother's already in trouble. Shit, we've already stunned, dog. Hey, I'm slaying my words cause I sipped on the lean. Trying to go faster than the beat should be even be, but you know me. I stay bloody, A all day, fuck what you heard with the AK behind the door just in case a nigga wanna get brave. And I got the 9 in the pocket, what you need, hey, you need a fucking bullet to the head, call it hot rock. What you need, bitch, need a box of them hot rocks, ayy. Yeah, I already know, cause you're in the basket shit, and I'm gonna let him hold couple more, ayy, got a couple grand on me, and I'm just joking, ain't that big, but I got a couple C-notes, and you know it, and I'm choking on that real weed smoke, cause it's so big, you fuck what you heard, this that long verse, hey, say what, hey, Jamaica shit, you know, for nigga. Real boy, shit, but I'm from class. The old thing like that. Yeah. Listen, got my kicks on right, and you know I'm going skating. I'm just playing, I don't fucking around with that fake shit, but I'm zoning on that fucking zone. Just in case you already know, it's only loud that I broke. Hey, fuck what you heard. Pull up all day, and I got a couple Gucci sweaters that I might use today. What you need? You need some crack, G. Fuck the phone, bitch, let it ring out. Don't fuck around with these C niggas. Fuck with a crab system, me, cause y'all already know. The B's up, C's down, that's the G code. Come at me, bro, get slumped over with a couple hot rocks to your fucking head, bro. Real talk, fuck with the feds, get shot up, G. That's another cheat code, don't fuck with me, B, cause I be on that G code shit, and I do or die with the B's, bruh. Bloody super till I fucking die. Hey, let me finish that song. Hey, you know what?
Just too long away. This baby is the ether. Wanna catch all these feelings. Well,
you know.
to get my
Been trying to get signed since day one. Nobody knows how much time I take just to get the flow on. Hey, I'm sipping on the green lean. You already know with the apple in the bottom of the fucking tree. Shit, I'm fucking up, stuttering, trying to pay attention to my baby girl. I wish I could show you, but she already walked in the street, and I don't feel like chasing after her right now. I fucked up. Let me restart. The beat is coming back like I'm fucking bars, and I got a couple shoes that nobody wants, so I sell them all up. $5 for a G, bruh. What you need, cuz? I know I fucked up the beat, bruh. I'm about to zone out and just die, cuz. Oh shit, bruh. Oh shit, bruh. Oh